Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this quick and easy installation using my favorite products. If you're interested in seeing how I achieved this look, please keep on watching. Jumping straight into the video, as you guys can see, my wig is nice and prepped on my mannequin head. I'm just showing you guys all the excess lace that I need to cut out. I did mention in my previous videos that most of these wigs, they don't fit my head, and I've always wondered why. But then I realized that the band attached to the wig is the actual problem. So I decided to cut that off. And I used these straps at the back for better security, and honestly that really helped because my wig fit very snug. And I also went ahead and I cut off that excess lace. I'm showing you guys here the band and the lace that I had cut off. So now I'm stretching my wig cap. It's important to do this so that it can fit your head properly and not shift back when you install the wig. Now I'm going in with my Isoplus edge gel and I'm applying that on my edges. It's very important that you do this, you guys. You have to protect your edges before you install your wig. So I always do this. And then I'm taking an old toothbrush and I'm just brushing my edges back. You want to blow dry that so that when you put on your wig, your edges don't shift. Now I'm going in with my Signature Cosmetics foundation stick. I mainly use this just for my wigs and my wig cap, and I think the shade is absolutely amazing. It blends really well with my skin. Now I'm going in with a wet wipe and some rubbing alcohol, and I'm cleaning up the makeup that's on my forehead because you really want that glue to stick. So I'm going in with the Rarlon Glamour Beauty glue, the lace glue, and this was my first time using it. And the mistake that I made with using this glue is that I applied too much of it. You want to apply very thin layers. I haven't used a glue in a while to install my wigs, so I think I kind of had a heavy hand with this one. So you really want to just apply small thin layers. So I ended up doing 2 layers.
You wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? I know what time it is right now. It's after 3 a.m. I know that's asking a lot of you right now. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me. Yeah. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me.
And you want to blow dry each layer after applying it, and make sure that the glue is nice and tacky before you put on your wig.
Hey, you talking about your life, we are your lunch now. Giving me the sign, so I'm signing now. I hit you up like, do you wanna hang right now? Hang right now. On the east side, and you know I'm a gang right now. You say, do I wanna dance right now? Dance right now. It's after 3 a.m. I know that's asking a lot of you right now. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me. Yeah. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me. Yeah. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me. You don't ever come to me. Yeah. All you ever say is come and see me for once. Come and see me.
So now it's time to put on the wig. I'm using the back comb to secure the wig even further at the back, and you want to press that wig down and make sure that the frontal sits on where you applied the glue, and the side tabs are always an issue. So I went in with a little bit of glue to stick that down, and then I also noticed that there were a few other parts of the lace that were not fully stuck down, so I went in with very tiny, very tiny amounts of glue to further press that down. You want to blow dry that before you press it down though.
There's a possibility that you look at me differently, love. Ever since the first moment I spoke your name, from then on I knew that by you being in my life.
Now I'm using a lace melt band that I got from Glamour Beauty, and then I'm also using another lace melt band on top of that because I love to double melt, and I like to leave that on for about 20 minutes, but with this install I did about 15 minutes because yeah, I was chasing that natural lighting, you guys. I need to invest in proper lighting so that I can even film at night. So I'm going in with my Glamour Beauty spray, and I'm gonna do about 2 layers, but I blow dry each layer, and this is just gonna further secure the wig. And I'm telling you guys, this install lasted me about a week. It could have even been longer, but I was the one who decided to just wear it for a week.
Hoping for the chance to get to know you, longing for your kiss, for your kiss, for your essence. Many nights I've cried from the things you do. Felt like I could die from the thought of losing you.
You want to clean up before blow drying using your wet wipe and rubbing alcohol. Very important to do that, because when you try to clean up after the adhesive spray has dried down, it's very difficult to remove that product from your skin. Now I'm going in with the ORS olive oil hair mousse, and then I'm also going to be using a comb just to push the hairs back. And honestly, I wanted to use my hot comb, but it wasn't plugged in at that point, so I just went in with mousse and I pushed the hairs back. I'm going back in with the lace melt band, and this time I kept it on for about 10 minutes. It's very important, you guys, that you keep on using your lace melt band because it will make sure that that lace does not move. So I'm going in with the Signature Cosmetics foundation once again, and I'm applying that on my lace. Then I'm going in with a melting spray, and you know I gotta pair it with that Isoplus spritz.
What is the look? It got something to do with being the man and handling your biz.
We're melting again with a lace melt band, and I'm using a smaller one this time because I want to get into styling this hair. So today I'm going for a middle part. I love a middle part with this wig. I don't know why, but because the wig is long, I just feel like it gives that middle part bust down vibe. So yeah. Now I'm going in with my wax stick, and I'm applying that because I want to press that hair down with my hot comb. I'm taking my Tresemme heat protectant spray, and I'm applying that because the hot comb that I'm about to use, you guys, is extremely hot. I love this hot comb. It's my favorite in my collection, and this is the Reflections hot comb. I got it from Clicks. I got it from Clicks or Discam, either one of the two actually. So you want to press that hair down, like you want that frontal part to be flat. You cannot skip this step, you guys. It's a very important step. Later in the video, you're gonna see me go in some more with this hot comb. So now I'm sectioning the hair back because I want to do my baby hairs. So yeah, I was struggling here to try and film my baby hairs, so I did go and do them off camera, and it took me forever, and they didn't even come out the way that I wanted them to come out, but it is what it is. I'm going back in with my foundation to tint the lace even further, and then I'm locking in those baby hairs with my RL Beauty adhesive spray. So I'm going in with my wax stick once again because I felt like the hair was just not as flat as I wanted to be. So now, as you can see, I'm pressing it again, pressing it down, making sure that it's nice and flat. And really, this is the cherry on top when you have a flat install. Now I'm brushing the hair out and preparing for ironing it. I did iron the hair off camera on the mannequin head. However, these are just some final touches just to make the whole look seamless and gorgeous. And I cannot forget my holding spray from Clicks. I love this one as well. This is the firm hold one. I normally use the other one, which is the, okay, I forgot the name, but it's in the purple can. I just love this for my frontal, and it just keeps the flyaways tamed. Now I'm going in with some concealer on my parting to just brighten that up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.